For today's lab, you will be doing circuit construction in the simulation world and in the real world. The first part of every problem on the assignment is to construct your circuit virtually to make sure it works, and then to construct it in real life after you have figured it out virtually. So you're going to use the intro on your circuit construction, so click on intro. To use this simulator, you'll need to drag in a battery and a light bulb, and you may need a resistor, and you'll need wires. And the key thing to making a circuit work is to complete the circuit. It needs to come full circle so electrons can flow through the entire thing. Electrons will only flow if it makes a complete circle of connection. So most simply, I can connect my wire to the bottom of my light, to the end of my light bulb, and pull out another wire and connect it to the other circle of the light bulb and to the battery. And when you let it go, you'll see that it turns the light on. And if you grab the ammeter, you can pull it out and move this little magnifying glass on top of the wire, and it will tell you the current running through this circuit. If you want to fully restart, you can press the restart button, or you can click on a wire and delete it, and now you're free to make connections other places. Again, the important thing is that you connect from one side to the other to make a full circle, and when it's a full circle, the electrons will move. To do these experiments in real life, you are going to need a few things from your electrical unit baggie that is in your lab kit. First, you'll need alligator patch cords. You should have 4 patch cords in your kit, and you'll need them all, so please undo them. You'll also need a light bulb and a light bulb socket. So you'll just screw your light bulb into your light bulb socket, like so. You'll also need your battery pack and 2 of your batteries. So you can put your batteries in there. Your battery pack is going to represent the one battery that you're using in the simulator. You'll also need a resistor at some point. So if you just touch the wires from the battery pack to your light bulb screws here, it will light it up. Whee! You can also clip them on using the alligator patch cords. So on the top you see there's this little screw, and what you can do is just open it up and clamp it onto the side like that. And then attach your alligator patch cord to one side. And then use a different wire to connect here and to the other side. Boom. If you wanted to put another connection off of this, you can attach patch cords to patch cords. Don't worry, electricity moves much smoother, much more efficiently through metal, so if you touch it, it's not going to electrocute you. You can attach patch cords to patch cords, but the patch cord that you're attaching onto this circuit right here has to go behind where the electricity is flowing. So if I were to put my cord, my wire further back, and the electricity is flowing through the wire that way, if I attach my other patch cord onto the end here, there's no electricity going this way. So what you can do is kind of scoot this plastic part back a little bit and just clip your white one onto the end there, like that. And then you can clip this one in the end and it will, if you connect this to another light, should light the other one up as well. I want to caution you to be extra, extra careful. Under no circumstance should you touch these two wires together just from the battery cord. It will burst into flames. This is not something you should do. And you immediately will get a 0. It's extremely dangerous, so don't do it. It'll break this entire thing. You can do it on the simulator, you'll see it'll catch on fire. It'll melt these wires. It'll be bad. So please don't do that. Don't do it. Don't be tempted to do it because I said it would light it on fire. It's extremely dangerous. You don't want to burn your house down, so don't do it. So when you're finished with this battery pack, you have to take the batteries out. If you do not take the batteries out, it is unsafe and may light on fire in your house. So take them out before you put them back in the bag, because the odds of these touching while in the bag is extremely high. Look at them, just right next to each other. So please, please, please be careful. You have to have a light bulb in between. If you attach them through patch cords like this, it will melt the patch cord in half and smoke and be awful. I know, because I've seen students do it, so don't do it.